Hi everyone, welcome to Sanderson's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing probably what I like to call puddle flowers. I'm not really sure, I'm just going to kind of wing it tonight. I've got a 14 by 14 canvas in front of me with white acrylic already on it. I'm just going to give these bubbles a little torch to get them out and we'll get started. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, thank you so much. And all your wonderful comments and thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Alrighty, well you know me, I like to do a bit of a background color. So I'm going to do a little bit of copper and rose gold mixed together. Just throughout my canvas, I'm just going to swipe it through. And then we'll figure out what we want to do with my flower painting tonight. Okay, I have my piece of plastic sitting here. Now everything that you see me use, the butane torch, all my paint colors, the cups, stir sticks, everything, 90% of the stuff that I use you will find on Amazon. So if you want to do a paint pour and you need some paints or anything, please, in the description below, there's a little grayish colored triangle that you hit on at the bottom of the right side of the video. You'll see a drop down menu of the descriptions, and in there's links for Amazon. If you do happen to do some shopping on one of my links, I will get a small commission in the form of an Amazon gift card to replenish some of my stock. So just an FYI for you if you do want to do any Amazon shopping. Now they got Amazon Prime deals right now, I think today and tomorrow. Some stuff is on sale. So feel free to shop. I'd love it if you did. Okay, so we got the copper background. I think I want to do this center a little bit more. There we go. I just wanted to do that a little bit just to add some background color. Give it a quick torch, get any bubbles I just created out of there. Alright. So first color down is going to be my sap green. And I'm thinking I want to do coming down this way, so I'm just going to go whoop. And probably do another one right here. And how about right here? Who knows? We'll see. I always add. Now I have some of my Arteza's yellow green, which is a really pretty green. Just going to add that in a couple different areas here. Now this is basically my no paintbrush needed kind of painting. You just kind of go with it. Okay, done enough? Yeah. For now we'll stick with that. Okay. So I'm going to do pink first, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do a pink puddle right here. And I'll do one right here. Then let's do some Arteza rose. I'm going to put here and here. Now I'm going to first try and do this, I think with the bottom of a cup. That's what I'm going to try and do. I'm just going to use my regular old Sola cup and see if I can get a little bit of a flower pattern happening. If not, I'll go to finger painting. Just gonna wipe that off for a sec. There we go. I like that one. That's pretty good. Let's try this one. I like how both those turned out. Let me just grab my little paint knife. Just see if we can get a little design happening around the edge. And a little bit in there. Couldn't remember where I put my napkins. Okay. Okay, I'm going to leave those two for a minute and let it just sit, do its thing. Let's do the next color. Let's do some blue. And I think white. I want to do some white in there. Let's see how that does. Let's see how that's looking. It's actually looking pretty good. Kind of like wildflowers. This one needs a little bit more blue in it, I think. I'm just going to use my finger on this one and see if that changes anything. No, I think I like it better with the cup. Okay. Okay. I have a little tiny blooper right here. I gotta get with some white paint. You know me, I always gotta do a blooper of some sort. Okay. So now I want to do some pink. Pink, or you know what? I'm going to do my turquoise blue. I'm going to put one right here and right here. I think I'm going to put a little white in that too. Okay, let me just wipe that guy off. Okay, so now my dark green, I definitely need one going off that way and one going off that way. Like both those, very pretty. Give it a quick little torch, see if anything changes. Okay. Now I think I'm going to take my dark green stick, follow this one right off the edge here, as well as this one, and this one. This guy's green line we lost a bit, so let's just add to it. Much better. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a big leaf right here. A little bit more color into it. Okay, now yeah, that's good so far. So you gotta love fluid art. You can do this without a paintbrush or anything. Just add wherever you need to. Okay, so I feel like I need to do another line. I'm gonna go from here down and come all the way through to here. Do one more flower, I think. I think I need one more. What do you think? One more blue. Okay, let's see if that's enough to get a nice flower happening. Let's see, do I need a little bit more blue? I think so. There we go. Let's give that a torch. Okay, let me just turn it and take a look and see how we're doing. Okay, I need another napkin. One sec here. Okay. Definitely need some more dark green to add to the bottom of these flowers. I'm just about done here. This guy needs a leaf on here, for sure. Okay. This guy needs a little bit of greenery. I think this is perfect. It's like a little bit of wildflowers. Wildflower abstract painting, that's what I'd call that. Do one more over here. Okay, I'm officially calling this guy done. Okay. There we go. My little wildflower, quick little painting with no paintbrush. Alrighty everybody, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit subscribe, come back and watch another painting. Thanks everyone.